Keep them closed. Close them. What is that?
Dad, this is Spider-Man bicycle.
Oh my gosh. It's just your size, huh?
May I do it right now?
Try it. Get on there. Have you ever seen a bicycle that's just your size?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
But I didn't do it.
You got a helmet too. See your helmet?
Yeah.
That's
Kieran,
just
look, look. Daddy has a Spider-Man helmet for you. Look at it.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, that's your bell.
Yes, Mom.
That's awesome.
Come here. Oh, we're gonna have to tighten that. Come here.
I got
Look at this, Bubba.
Lower this.
Wow, what is this?
That's just the front part of your bike. It's got Spider-Man on it, huh?
This?
How
Try sitting
cool
on
is
there
that?
Let me tighten this for you. Your papa got you this. Papa Chris. Isn't that cool? Can you look at the camera and say, thank you, Papa Chris?
Thank you, Papa Chris. May I ice my pedal it?
I think there's something on there that's blocking it from going.
What?
I don't know. But he's pushing it and they're not going. And there's something stopping it somewhere. We'll figure it out, Bubba.
Are you excited?
Yes,
Stand up. Let's put on your helmet.
I am. Let's something stuck on it, Mom.
We'll fix it.
Hey, Dad is on
Your
there.
head looks even bigger.
I know. I like your helmet, Bubba.
Hey,
It keeps you safe, huh?
Dad. You help me get there.
Watch out, Bubba. Get up.
My daddy tried to fix it.
It's just because everything's not
Oh.
yet.
Okay.
So we just need to go get a pump.
But there's a gooey thing.
We just need to pump up the tires.
You?
Yep, and then it'll work.
But it doesn't work anymore.
That'll work.
What?
We'll go to the store right after this and get a pump.
What?
Do it.
What?
I'm watching. Whoa! Is this the bike that Spider-Man rides?
Yes.
It is?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Is it a Spidey bike?
Yes.
That's awesome.
But I can't do anything.
Are you excited to ride it later?
I'm running right now at you over here.
Well, in just a minute, we're going to go to the store and get a pump. So you can see how the tires are squishy? You see how I can squish them? We're going to have to get a pump and put more air in them so they're not squishy. Then it'll be real easy to ride.
But I can't do anything.
You want Daddy to show you how to ride it?
Yes.
That's a good idea.
Daddy, help me ride that. Help me ride that, please.
We'll get the tires pumped up first, okay? How about we eat a quick lunch, okay? And then we'll go to the store and get a bike pump. Sound good?
Yes. Let's go.
All right.
Now we have to get this out.
Hey, Bubba. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
All right.
This is my surprise.
Thanks, Dad.